Hi there, I'm Clare Tebboth, artist and art tutor at the Vitreus Art Gallery. And I thought I'd just make a little video today to tell you about my Expressive Plants and Flowers watercolour workshop. Now, this is a one-day workshop and it's suitable for all abilities, starting from people that have never painted to more experienced artists. And I'll tell you a little bit more about the detail of it. So the next workshop I've got coming up is the 25th of September. Right, so what will you do at the workshop? So, I used to really not like watercolours, I'll be honest, because I just found that the colours I used came out really pale and dull, and the paper just never seemed to be very nice, and I couldn't really work it out, so I just didn't do watercolours. But then, revisiting it and lots of experiments later, I'm now really happy and actually love watercolours because I found a way for them to be really colourful and really expressive, and they're not at all fiddly. So I want to share that technique with you. So what you'll cover throughout the day is a series of little projects based upon different plants and flowers, teaching different techniques. I will show you about brushes that I use, which you'll notice are quite large. We don't work too small. I'll be using different types of paint. So we'll be using artist quality paint from tubes, but also artist quality paint in your palettes as well, so in these pans. So I'll show you different ways of using watercolour paint. As you can see, I have a real love of plants and flowers in my work, and even a little bit of sparkly bits, as you can see, hopefully, in some of these. So I know lots about mediums that you can use with watercolours as well, so it makes them a little bit more unique. I use masking fluid, as you can see in those, and a really loose, colourful style. Hopefully you can see that there. Watercolour is amazing because it does all sorts of interesting things when you add water to pure pigment. So there's loads of things that I can teach you, and there's lots of oohs and ahs in the group because people then discover, oh, it does that, or it does that. There's lots of little light bulb moments where people discover things you can do. So I'll cover loads of those things involving cling film and salt and a few other things beside. We'll also, time permitting, have a little go with ink as well. So it really is as much energy you've got to put into the workshop as I can keep going with ideas for you. So it's a real fun-filled day, loads of techniques covered, and experienced artists that perhaps work quite tidily and neatly might enjoy loosening up for a day, being corrupted maybe, and complete beginners, this is just a really fun way to start. So dust off your brushes and your paint boxes, and maybe we can learn some more. So how do you book? Well, go to the Vitreus Art website and you can book from there, or pop into the gallery to see Mike and Jenny and a whole host of my watercolour work as well, and you'll be able to book there. Anyway, hope to see you soon. Bye bye.